into the dark. Hide away.
Look at those two girls. I have everything I want right here.
If you could dream something up, what would it be?
A lion, an elephant, or a giant 10 feet tall.
People are fascinated by the unusual and the macabre. Okay.
May I present?
The famous Irish giant.
I'm not Irish.
We'll work on the accent.
They're just going to laugh at us.
Don't listen to them. They don't understand yet. But they will.
You're putting folks of all kinds on stage with you.
That's right, freaks! You're risking everything you've built.
Well, how do you think I built it?
You don't need the whole world to love you. Just a few good people.
Have you no shame?
Father, the world is changing.
No one ever made a difference by being like everyone else.
I can't just run off and join the circus.
Why not? I mean, you clearly have a flair for show business.
For show business?
Mm-hmm.
I've never heard of it.
Because I just invented it.